Hey, is Zoom freezing on your laptop or desktop during meetings? Yeah, it can be really frustrating when your video or audio stops responding in the middle of a call. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom freezing issues in 2026 so you can get back to smooth meetings. First, completely close Zoom and restart your computer or laptop. A fresh start can often resolve temporary freezing problems. Zoom freezing is often caused by slow or unstable internet. Switch from Wi Fi to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or move closer to your router. You can also run a speed test to ensure your connection is stable. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Browsers, streaming apps, games, or downloads can use up CPU and memory, which may cause Zoom to freeze. Make sure Zoom is up to date. Open Zoom, click your profile picture, and select Check for Updates. Updating can fix freezing and performance issues. Outdated drivers can make Zoom freeze. On Windows, open Device Manager, Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, Update Driver. Also check Network Adapters. Mac users should check for system updates. In Zoom settings, lower your video resolution, disable HD video, and turn off virtual backgrounds or filters. These visual features can put extra load on your system and cause freezing. Your firewall or antivirus might block Zoom or slow it down. Allow Zoom through your firewall or temporarily disable antivirus to see if it fixes freezing. If Zoom still freezes, uninstall and reinstall it. A clean installation can fix corrupted files and reset settings to default. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop Zoom from freezing and give you smooth, uninterrupted meetings. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next